Cheetahs may look like powerful big cats, but they can't roar like lions or tigers. Instead, they purr, chirp, growl, and even meow. This is because their vocal anatomy is different. Cheetahs have a fixed hyoid bone, similar to small cats, which prevents them from producing a true roar. Their chirping sound is often used by mothers calling their cubs across long distances. So while cheetahs are the fastest land animals on Earth, their voices are surprisingly soft and closer to a house cat than a lion.